the problem in the Philippines, we really lag behind among the Asian peers, no? I think we really maybe 10 to 15 years in terms of broadband compared before. So now it's getting better because my aim is to able to bring this new technology to spread all over the Philippines to serve our Filipino consumers para hindi na tayo mapag-iwanan. In fact, pag natapos natin by 2025, we are at the level of Korea, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Kasi the technology we are using right now, this the same with this first world country use. Only fiber network can deliver that fast and that capacity to the individual homes. Wireless cannot provide that. The vision of the Converge, we need to at least serving this unserved and underserved. The market is really the blue ocean. In fact, as of today, in our survey, all our new customer, 90% are the first-time fiber users. No?